Hey friends, good morning. Jennifer here with Moreau Family Farm. We've got some exciting stuff going on today. We finally have been able to get a dumpster dropped off, so they're doing that right now. And also, last night was the first night that we slept in the house, which was kind of interesting. We don't have the best living conditions right now, but you make do with what you have, and I know that we'll get there eventually, so at least I know we're not spending the money out of a hotel room anymore. We do have running water, we have electric, we have air conditioning, so, you know, can't ask for much more than that. But here is our dumpster, and we're gonna watch them unload it. Good morning. Well, that was cool. I have to say, that's the first time I've seen one actually get dropped off before. And my husband loves to be helpful. So yeah, that guy, he was pretty nice. But yeah, so this is it. Finally got our dumpster, so we can go ahead and put this stuff in here. As far as cost, I have to say, so to me, it's worth it just to get this junk out of here. If you remember me saying before in some of the other videos, we do not have waste pickup here. So what happens is the people who lived here before, they would store all of their trash in that little shed over there and in that bigger shed back there, and it was just loaded with junk. And then like out in the pasture, there's, you know, tires, gas cans, you name it, just a bunch of trash all over the place. So yeah, so now we have the dumpster. We can get this trash off the property and get it hauled off. We have this dumpster for however long we need it for. The guy said that we could either, you know, if we just need it for a day, then we can just rent it for a day or a month, whatever it is, we can hold on to it. So basically the way it works is there's a drop-off fee, there's a pickup fee, and then there's a price per ton fee at the actual waste, the dump, and then there's a daily charge fee. So right now, as is, with him dropping it off and knowing that he's going to pick it up, it's $375. Then it's $28 per ton, and then another $2 per day. So we're probably looking at, I'm going to say somewhere around between $500 and $600. I really don't know what that price is going to be. I have honestly no clue whatsoever how many tons it is. I'm just grateful that I will no longer have to see this toilet in my yard and all of that trash right there and all of that trash over there. And that's going to be great. And today we are going to be, my husband decided that even though we need to finish our, the bathroom. We need to finish doing the bathroom. I'll show you where we are at with that. Oh, hold on. Now lady wants to come in. Gotta let the princess in. So, another thing we did yesterday, not we, I don't want to take any credit for this whatsoever. This is my brother-in-law with his snazzy little outfit here. What in the world? Say hello to YouTube. Yeah. But anyways, yesterday he knocked down the panels and the wall yesterday. So that was really cool just to see it open and to know, don't mind the mattresses. Like I said, we are not in, so yeah, not the greatest sleeping conditions, but it is what it is. It's fine. We do have a tub to bathe in. So the bathroom is not complete. We don't even have caulking in yet around the tub. And we have to fix this right here because we accidentally cut it too large. This panel system was the biggest pain in the butt in the world. And I think, honestly, I think when all of the renovations are done, I think my husband wants to take it out because he hates it. And I don't know why so much that he hates it, except that it made him really mad putting it in and that he messed up the holes right there. But, I mean, it's very sound. Very sound. There's no... It's pretty good, I have to say. He did. Even though he was very angry when he was doing it, he did a really good job. It took him literally one whole day just to get this thing in here. And it's because we were having a really hard time getting it to stay sturdy against the wall. And then it wouldn't lock. So this back piece here locks into this itty bitty skinny little channel that you put down the edge on there. And then you have to put it in yourself. It's not attached to this wall or attached to this wall. It's a little strip that you have to put on it. If you don't put that strip on there perfectly, then it's not going to snap in perfectly. It's going to be uneven and whatever. It was just a big pain in the butt. It really seriously was. My husband he has decided that he is going to take out the rest of the flooring in here. And he is going to take out the flooring in here. His reasonings for doing that. Well, I can't be 100% honest with you with that because I don't know his true reasonings. I think the floor is pretty sound in our bedroom. I think the floor in we'll just say Alexia's bedroom because that's where that's where her bedroom is gonna be. I think her floor is a little suspect there. It's a little, it's solid until you get to one certain spot and then it feels kind of weak. Like down here in this area, it just feels a little off. But he wants to rip out all the flooring. He said he just wants to make sure that everything is pretty much good to go and clear in this house. Another thing is because it has a funny smell. You know, they did not take care of this house at all. And the smell that was left behind is kind of like that old musky, I don't know how to really explain the smell, but it has a funny smell in here. And even though we have replaced some of the flooring, and even though we have ripped out all the carpet, and I've been cleaning like crazy, like in the kitchen, now we know that there's still damage behind the walls, and you know, the windows still need to get removed and stuff like that. But my husband just said he would feel more comfortable to have the floors out, which honestly I feel is almost a waste of time because some of the floors are in a good condition still. And I think that once the windows come out, then that smell will come out also because of the rotted wood. And he went underneath the house and he didn't see any rot underneath the house. So I don't know. I just kind of have to let him do what he wants to do or he gets aggravated. I just really wish that the bathroom would get finished before he decided to rip out more flooring, because it would be nice to take a stand-up shower instead of have to take a, you know, basically a rag bath, you know. You can stand in there, you can bathe yourself, but you can't like splash water or anything. You have to be very careful. That's just a mess. But anyways, hopefully it's all fixed by the time the kids get home. And that's kind of it. I mean, there really hasn't been a ton going on besides the fact that he got the tub in, the shower panels, the drywall is up. I don't know if you noticed that. We have to put we have to sand it down today, put some more mud up, and then sand it again, put some more mud up, and then sand it again, and we should be done. And then we can paint it, and then start on the flooring. I believe that's how it goes. So, that's it. I thought it was kind of cool that the dumpster was getting dropped off today. And like I said, I've never seen a dumpster get dropped off. That was kind of interesting. That is one heck of a truck that those people have. But now we get to get it filled. It's bigger than what I expected it to be, so that's good. So if we find any other trash on the property, we could definitely haul it over here and put it in there. And they didn't give us any limitations of what we can or can't put in there. So all goes. All tires, gas cans, you name it, oil cans, it's going in there. Paint cans, whatever. It's going. So that's good. I'm happy about that. We can get rid of everything. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And until next time, you guys be blessed. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.